Hello friends, it's Rick and Lisa's Kitchen and Garden. This is a non-dairy ice cream Rick just made. He's going to share how he made it.
Here's all the ingredients you need to make non-dairy ice cream. Ripe bananas, almond milk or soy milk or hemp milk, vanilla extract, and about a quarter cup of walnuts. I'll show you how we make it. Hello friends, today I want to show you how to make non-dairy ice cream so you don't feel guilty, and if you're lactose intolerant it won't be a problem for you. It's pretty simple. I just used bananas that two bananas. I peel them and I break them up into short pieces, freeze them overnight, and I have a quarter cup of walnuts. I'm going to grind up in here. Then I add those bananas to it, and soy milk or almond milk or hemp milk. We made delicious almond milk, which we'll show you in another video, and a bit of flavoring, which in this case would be vanilla extract. So I'll go ahead with it. It's going to be noisy.
In goes frozen bananas.
Yep, frozen bananas.
And in goes the homemade soya.
Well, this is almond and soy.
Almond milk.
It's our secret blend of very smooth almond soy milk. Now it's going to blend for a while. It's pretty noisy again. Did a quick blend of banana and soy milk, and now I'm putting in just 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You could use whatever flavoring you want. Almond extract, lemon extract. You could put cinnamon in it. It's all up to you.
Now the ice cream is ready. It's pretty nice. The consistency looks nice.
Yeah, it's nice and creamy, and because the bananas were frozen, it's ready to serve. I suppose you could freeze it again if you wanted to. And if you're adventurous, you can put more toppings on it, like frozen berries or fresh berries, whatever suits your taste. In this case, goji berries or blueberries that we have frozen.
Ice cream is served. You like it?
It's nice and creamy. There's just a hint of vanilla, and then I got the blueberries and the goji. This is a really good dessert.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's guilt-free.
Okay.
Yum, yum.
Okay. All right.
Yum.
Yeah? Okay. Thank you for watching. See you next time.